We will be going through the installation, connection, temperature setting, and log file in this video. Start up the camera app on your mobile phone. Point the camera at the QR codes. An App Store button will appear. Press this to go to the Carel Controlla App page. Press the Download button to commence the transfer and installation to your mobile device. For uprights, the codes are at the upper left side, and for the counter, it's on the side of the utility door panel. Start the Controlla app as shown in the video. Press the Bluetooth button in the Controlla app. This will bring up the Bluetooth connectable refrigerator units in your vicinity. Stand close to the unit you wish to connect to and select the device with the strongest signal in your list of devices by press the unit ID. This will initiate the connection process between your mobile phone and the refrigerator. Note that this may take a minute or two to complete depending on your mobile phone's distance to the refrigerator and Bluetooth version. The controller on the refrigerator will flash BLE once Bluetooth is connected. The Controlla app is now connected to your refrigerator. You can adjust the temperature range. Press the cogwheel button to access the settings page. Press any of the set selections listed, then press on the 0 value. A number pad will pop up. Enter the desired temperature, example as shown in the video, then press the OK button to accept the change. This will take you back to the settings page. Press and select the set you have changed, then press the cogwheel. You will now see the set point is at the temperature you have entered. To access the log file, press the chart button as shown here. This will initiate a process to check for new logs. If there is new data, you will be asked if you want to download them. Once the new data is downloaded, you will be shown a chart of the live temperature reading for your refrigerator. Press the back button to exit the chart screen. To return to the live reading, you must disconnect the Bluetooth, press the menu button, and then press the disconnect button. Thank you for watching. Please also watch our other videos for useful information and instructions.